In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a WhatsApp group on an iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to open your WhatsApp account. Okay, once you get there, you click on this plus icon up here. So after which you are going to see new group. Click on it. Once you're there, you simply need to choose the name or the contact in which you want to add on your WhatsApp group or the number. So let's say this one. Okay, after adding the various members, you simply click on what? Next. So after which you simply need to insert your group name. Let's say hello. After that, at the bottom you are going to see disappearing messages. You click on it. So on this option you can see after 24 hours, after 7 days, after 90 days, that is all the messages we want to be removed within that period of time. So I'm going to leave it in the default manner. Okay guys, you can see group permission. Click on it. On group permission you can see what members can do. That is, members can either edit their group settings, send messages, and add other members. But down here you can see admin can. That is, once a member adds a new contact on your WhatsApp group, you simply need to enable this in such a way that once the person added the contacts, you simply need to approve if the person can join the group or not. That is for this last option down here. That is what admin can do. Admin to approve new members. So we're going to leave it on. After that, click on what? Go back and you click on create group. So guys, as you can see, we just successfully created our WhatsApp group, as you can see. So guys, that's actually the way you create your WhatsApp group on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love it all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.